Kostas, Lazanas, owner and head chef of Lakeview Taverna. In today's vlog, I want to show you guys all the things that it takes to run a successful food booth. Today's the 4th of July, and we're gonna kill it. Let me show you how it's done. So over here, I got the fryers going on. We're gonna do funnel cake, feta fries, fried zucchini. The flat grill's going on over here. I'm gonna do all my pan frying of my pita bread, hot dog buns, and also the hot dogs, kind of toss them up over there. Keeping everything hot over here. And then I got my girl Little Omni, that you guys might know from other vlogs, handling all the cash. So as always, women always handle the cash. But we're gonna go have a great time. Let me show you guys more out there on the festival ground. I am tired. It has been one heck of a day. Booth's running smoothly, the crew's all up and running, and we're making some money, thankfully. No storms, they like split in half and just went right around our city. So, we'll make an awesome vlog for you guys. I hope y'all enjoy. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, comment below. Let me know how your 4th of July was. I really wanna know. I had to get this vlog out. I made this epic 4th of July video. Link right up here, check it out. Guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about that. We got super slammed. I couldn't meet the idiot running around with the camera and I had to jump in here and help everybody work out. Even got some help from my girl Ashley over here. Jacob, bro. You killed it, bro. Jacob, tell me how was it, man? I know what I'm talking about. Hot. David, tell me about your experience tonight, bro. Go. Hot. She doesn't know we're talking about her.
Getting all the orders out on time. Make sure they're not cold. The patience. The patience.
That was intense. Great stuff. Really happy that we came out here today. It's always fun giving back to the city, getting involved with the community.
conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to drive the red light.
Luami, You're in so many of my vlogs, and I love you for that.
Thank you.
So you don't work for me anymore, but you kind of work for me though still. You're still on the payroll. They asked,
I am.
they said, Luami, how many hours? Like, she didn't work any. How was it today?
It was
smooth
hectic.
overall, right?
It was hectic though.
Was it?
Uh-huh.
I think it's our best 4th of July as far as crowd control.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
All right. Anything else you want to tell my my followers, my YouTube watchers?
He's actually the greatest boss in the entire world, and I'm not saying that just because he's standing next to me. Like, he really is.
Oh my gosh, I'm crying. Love you, Luami.
Love
Happy
you
4th of
too.
July. See you soon.
Bye.
The official after 4th of July vlog is starting right now. That is some Boy Scout ingenuity, military ingenuity right there. We fit the entire 4th of July in this van right here. Great job, guys. Great job. Thanks, bud. All right. Now, the final chapter, the 4th of July event, is getting all of this stuff back to the restaurant, breaking it down, and letting the AM staff clean it up. So, you boys ready? Let's do it.
Well, I'm not working in the
Guys, today was a beating, 4th of July. Had a wonderful time. Wish you were there with me. The food was amazing. We had hot dogs and gyros and funnel cakes, and we didn't have alcohol. So just a little insight, the city of Rowlett wanted me to pay $2,500 to have an alcohol permit, and I was like, no way, like I can't make money with that. So I gave him a $100 bill. That was what it was for a food booth, and brought in the extra staff. We ran out of cold drinks and we ran out of funnel cake mix, so I'm a little upset about that. Next year, if you want me to be honest with you guys, I really I miss my daughter a lot, and I wish I was at home with her, but I know that I'm working hard for her, so that kind of rationalizes it. That rationalizes it for me. I'm here grinding away, excuse me, working so hard for the family. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the edits. I didn't get as much B-roll and fun stuff as I wanted to. We just got slammed. And we will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.
Have you seen the eyes pan?